Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a list view in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a listView.builder widget. The scroll direction of the list view is set to vertical. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. The physics attribute defines how the list view behaves when it reaches the very top or bottom of the screen. Here we have used bouncing physics. So the list view will have a bouncing effect and it reaches its top or bottom end. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have used a gesture detector widget. It has a function called onTap. So whenever someone selects an item in the list view, we will print its name in the logs. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first item in the column is a text widget. Here we will display an individual element from the ABCD alphabet list. Then we have a divider widget in gray color. This will create a line separation between two elements of the list view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.